Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can submit your home evaluations in Heartopia. So if you're ready to show off your interior design skills and earn some rewards, submitting your home for evaluations is the best way to see how your decorating stacks up and earn exclusive medals and currency. So here's how you can do it. First, you can open your watch and then you can just go to the developers guild, click on it, and here at the top you'll see this icon. I don't know what it's called, but this one at the top right corner, click on that, and I think this one is a whole evaluate. Okay, this is the evaluate menu. So this is the home evaluations, and to submit you can just go tap on this button, click on it. Okay, so apparently you need to do it near your home. So let's just head inside first and do the exact same steps. Click on submit, submit again, and that's it. You can just wait for the results. It will be revealed in 6 hours. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.